Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So this is live price prediction of Stellar XLM, and remember, this is not a financial video. Kindly, in this video, my brother, absolutely, I will give you something very special information and very secret. Now, I will clearly told you, my brothers, to this is very secret information about Stellar XLM. You know what's the secret? The secret is clear, my brother. To what's the update and what's the CEO told for viewers by subscriber, my brother. Especially, I will tell you, my brothers, to they will moving upward, and definitely they will moving upward now. 67.19% they will get a profit in last 20 days, my brother, especially last 1 month, sorry now. And absolutely, I will give you guarantee to in upcoming 10 days they will also wake up and moving upward. So you need to do this, my friend. What I tell you in this video, I will give you 100% guarantee to you will be get a very good profit. Let's start the brand video, my viewers. Please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And this time, as you can see, my brother, Stellar XLM is moving upward continuously in August, and definitely all crypto market is wake up and moving upward in this month, my brother. But some currency, my friend, were very badly fails down in those days. So as you can see, my friend, this time Stellar XLM is also, my brother, where fails down for a short time. But definitely after this fails, they will also starting moving upward. So it's not a bad news, my brother, for all of you. It's a very good, my brother, because after a short fail, every coin will take up a very huge jump now. So therefore, I know to upcoming 10 days, my friends, they will continuously moving upward now. Please, this is my advice and this is my personal experience which I share you. Please hold it now. If you have a hold, so I will give you guarantee today will give you a profit. Remember, my brothers, to not see you can give me my friend extra money to please make video for Stellar XLM. Please give some fake news about Stellar XLM. This is just an only, my friend, a real and original, my friend. As you can see here, absolutely, I share my experience, and I have last 3 years, my friend. From last 3 years I will investing in crypto, so therefore last 3 year experience, my friend, I just share, my friend, in my videos. So please, if you are new in crypto, so learn with ABSA, my friend, in crypto. Definitely ABSA channel will give you a real and good advice videos now. My brother, you need to subscribe this channel. All right, so this time, as you can see, my prediction is clear, my brother, and definitely I already predicted this coin, and it's clear, my brothers, to upcoming days, they will wake up and moving upward, and they will give you a profit now. So if I clearly told you to in upcoming times there is a chance Stellar XLM will moving upward, so why you are waiting? Kindly, you need to invest now, and definitely it's a very good time for investment. So it's a profit time. Please, my brother, trust me, my brother. If you invest just in only for 10 days, so they will give my friends to they will hit now 0.8 USD dollar to 1 USD dollar. So that's clear, my brother. So they will make you millionaire now. So if you want to, they will make me millionaire. So I think this is very good days for investment. Please don't miss this chance. Thanks for watching. Hold up, please like video and subscribe channel.